Neglecting instrumentation construction drawing reviews can lead to severe project setbacks and safety hazards. A real-world example involved a chemical project where faulty drawings caused repeated instrument malfunctions, leading to financial losses and environmental risks. To prevent such issues, a thorough review process is essential. 1. Preparation. Gather all relevant documents and assemble a skilled review team. 2. Key review areas. Equipment selection. Ensure instruments meet design and engineering specifications. Layout and positioning. Verify that instrument placement allows for easy operation and maintenance. Wiring and connections. Confirm that wiring diagrams are accurate and comply with standards. Safety and compliance. Check that all components adhere to safety regulations. Signal integrity. Ensure signal paths are clear and free from potential interference. Environmental considerations. Assess instrument suitability for operating conditions. Documentation accuracy. Verify that all drawings and documents are precise and up to date. By diligently reviewing these areas, projects can avoid costly errors and maintain safety standards.